Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pixel image preview plot. It allows for the visualization, analysis and manipulation of image data at the individual pixel level and transforming that raw numerical data into visual representations. So let's get started, and I'll head over to my flows as always and start a new flow. I'll name it pixel plot, and now I'll head over to file manager and upload the dataset and click on upload. After it finishes uploading, now I'll head over to plot dashboard, click on create plot. I'll select pixel image preview and select this data. Continue. Now here I'll first select this image row index as at least 1, and then in pixel columns I'll click on select all except the label. And click on create plot, and our plot is ready in just a few steps. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our documentation in case of any queries, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.